How to add link to TikTok bio. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. Well, the first thing you should know that in order to add the link to your bio, you must have at least 1000 followers. If you don't have 1000 followers, then you won't be able to add link to your TikTok bio. So make sure you have 1000 followers. If you have 1000 followers and you want to add the link, then what you want to do is tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner and then head over to settings and privacy. Move into account. First of all, you need to switch from your personal account to business account. Once you have the business account, then only you will be able to add the link to your bio. So tap on switch to business account. Tap on next. Choose the category that describes your TikTok and then tap on next. Over here you can enter your email address. For now you can just skip this part. Tap on skip and then tap on create now. You have been successfully switched to business account. Now what you want to do is go back to your profile and then head over to edit profile. Right here at the bottom you can see the option of website. All you gotta do is tap on that option and you will be able to add the link. And once you tap on save, your link will be added to your bio and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to add link to your TikTok bio. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.